Can you explain for people why I teach you to do technical talks if it's not something that comes naturally for you?
Because of yes, the street cred. Is that
Yes,
where you
street
want to
cred.
go
What is
to?
street cred? Tell us.
Yes, I have been in Toastmasters for public speaking and leadership already a couple of years. Before that, I won't open up my mouth much in the meeting, but that already helped me a bit. But in front of a camera for 5-10 minutes, that's still tough. But after my third one, a month or two ago, I think, it's getting way better, way easier.
Can you explain for people why I teach you to do technical talks or why I would encourage you to do that? Like, you don't have to if you
No.
don't want to, but
Mhm.
why would you want to if it's not something that comes naturally for you?
Because of yes, the street cred. Is that
Yes,
where you
street
want to
cred.
go
What is
to?
street cred? Tell us. What is street cred?
And yeah, street credibility is to show others what you're capable of. Instead of telling others, you show others what you can, and if more and more people see what you do, they already will get more and more familiar with you. And when they are looking for someone, they can have you in their mind, and then you're not just a name on a pack of CVs. And a lot of people say, I can do this or do that, but you can see how someone is eager and really meaning that they are enthusiastic about Angular, and for example, in our case, and yeah, and also
Absolutely.
how to explain and teach and coach.
So basically, if you like, you could be a developer and you could be really knowledgeable, but in this industry, the way things have been in the last couple of years, especially, there's so much competition, so many layoffs, so many people out there looking for jobs that in order to find a job, you really want to set yourself apart from the competition. And one way to do that is to increase your street cred.